loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. I am so excited. I literally have not sat down in front of this camera and done anything in like over a month, but y'all still be getting the content though, and we stand it. Anyways, happy New Year's to you guys. We are going to do a little chit chat about my hair. I've gotten a lot of questions via IG while I was on vacay, and I was like, you know what, ladies and gents, I am here for you. Originally I wanted to definitely do an actual install video, but I struggled to do this, guys. Like, I really struggled. I had to commission my sisters to come and finish the job because I was really struggling. I am going to do like a fresh retwist, kind of like the first 2 rows, maybe like in the center kind of, because it has grown out quite a bit I think it's been about a month or almost a month since I've had my hair like this. I did use the Bobbi Boss new locks this time, guys. Last time I used the Bobbi Boss Bomba locks, and those were kind of more like a gypsy style. I wanted a very, very natural looking faux lock style this time, so that's why I went with these, and they are so gorgeous. These are probably the only ones I'll ever use for the rest of my time because they are just fabulous. I did extend them by myself. At least I got to do one thing. Extending them and kind of wrapping them around each other was a lot better. This is how long they are. Let me stand so I can show you guys. Are we seeing this? Maybe this is where we're at. This is my bumper and they're right here. Hey, these are the 18-inch ones. I believe they come in 24, but my beauty supply store only had the 18-inch, and they were just not long enough for me. I was like, no. And I had already been planning on extending them, but I didn't think I would go this long, and I have no regrets. Is it long? Yes. Is it kind of hard to sleep with? A little bit, but not really. Actually, it's better to sleep with them down than it is to sleep with them in a bun because it gets really heavy and my neck be like. So I am going to just kind of twist them at the roots, use some gel. I stole my sister's prong clips, so we're gonna do it, y'all. I'm about to put my tunes on and we're gonna get rocking. So Monday I washed my hair, and my scalp is just always so dry. So I moisturize it pretty much every day, but still, especially because it's so much colder outside, my hair is just, woo child, dry. So I'm just using my Softy Hair and Scalp Conditioner, and this is the Argan Oil one. I love this. I think I got this from Dollar Tree a few years ago. Great product. I love the size of it too. And then I'm going to just use my Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil gel. And then I also have some prong clips that I stole from Val's. I also have my spray bottle as well, guys. I did wet my hair a few hours ago to try to get the hair together, but it dried a little bit, so I'm going to just moisten up the pieces that I need to as I go on. my 2 rows. They are snug right now. I did want to show you guys how I do my baby hairs though, because I was really trying to do like my FKA twig type of baby hair. It's all in the got to be, okay? This is the girl. The only downfall to this is that it really kind of cakes up onto your hair. So I made sure to just kind of like put oil on it at the end of the day to kind of loosen up the product. That really helped. I don't do my edges like this every single day, but I am going out tonight. So you know what, we're gonna pop out, girl. So I'm gonna let y'all know how I do this. So I'm going to just brush out my edges here. As you can see, I have a good chunk. You really have to wait till your hair kind of grows out before you can really do this style, just because you need to have a good amount of length to do it. So I pretty much have all of my edges out, as you can see. Like I said, I put oil on them every day, really massage them in, making sure that I'm not losing any hair, and I don't use this product every day. And also what's really good about this is even as you like, it looks better as it gets older. It starts to get really fluffy, so you don't have to really touch it up every day if you don't want to. I really do like the natural fluffy look. When it's too structured, it's nice and everything, but when it's fluffy, it's just more realistic as well, you know? Wow, this little retwist came out cute. I know that's right, Clee. It's been about, I would say like 15 minutes. I was editing, that's why I left it on for so long. I was like, you know what, let me do some, let me be proactive. Anyways, so this is what we're looking like. I'm excited. All right guys, so this is what my edges look like. I just love the swoops and the boops, you know. So I think I'm gonna leave the pins in for a little bit longer because I'm sure that's not dry. I put quite a bit of gel on there. So we're gonna just let that kind of dry. All right guys, this is the finished look. I put my hair up so that way you guys could see what the edges are looking like. Baby girl. Oh, this one looks a little tight. Let me loosen up my buttons a little bit. There we go. But yeah, this is what the finished look looks like. As you can see, the first 2 rows are really giving me, oh, you just got your hair done vibes. Even though the back is literally like, girl, take me out. It's been too long. Although it hasn't. Anyways, if you guys have any questions about any of the products that I have used, you know they will be down in the description box as per usual. If you have any tips or tricks that you would like to lend me, drop them down in the comment section and I will see you in the next one. Bye.